Yo, what's good, chat? Hey, Brazy, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see who I'm with?
Yo, just out of school shit.
Yeah, we just got out of school.
YouTube and shit. That shit was fun as hell. Y'all gonna see the video soon. That's crazy. Go check it out on YouTube.
Hell yeah, niggas, you know what I'm saying? Check out his YouTube. I'll put it right there. You know what I'm saying? But hey, we gotta walk around the whole school type shit. But you know what I'm saying? We on the way to the crib. Gotta, you know what I'm saying? Waiting on a presso product. We waiting on a special product today. Yeah, something's coming today. We waiting on a special, you know what I'm saying? Can't really say too much, but y'all see when y'all see when we decide to let y'all know. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's that. Yo, UPS just is outside right now. UPS is outside right now. I just had to grab the camera. I'm still in my school clothes, fried. UPS is right now. We at Hezzy's crib.
Oh, they coming to the door. They coming to the door.
Yeah. Yup. There it is, guys. Our livelihood. I hold the door, Brody. Yes, sir. It's heavy. Finally got the bulk inside the crib, bro. Oh my God, we've really been waiting for this. Hey, we really been waiting for something like this for y'all don't know how long, bro. Our jump really got delayed just due to some stupid stuff, but I'll just show y'all when we open it. Y'all gonna see what we see, you know what I'm saying? A little sneak peek. Y'all might see a sneak peek, so stay tuned. Don't be scrolling through the video. Don't be trying to skip through the video. Hey, I already know. Hey, I see y'all. Brazy. Y'all see where I'm at? Yes, sir. The known, you know what I'm saying? The little warehouse. We getting it all set up together. We got some boxes and stuff that we got to take out here. We're using this as like temporary trash bin right now. We got the clothing rack where we're going to be previewing all of our samples, our important pieces. And then we got the shelves where we're going to be putting all the bulk here for now. I don't even know if this is enough storage for what we got. But hey, it's going to do, you know what I'm saying? This is what we got, you know, humble beginnings. You know what I'm saying? Like I was showed y'all earlier in the earlier clips, look at Hezzy, and we went, you know what I'm saying, Tony Brazy. You haven't seen a lot of him, but y'all saw him in my last video, little basketball video. Yes, sir, that's my brother right there, real brother. Y'all might not be able to see it, but look what we got. The babies, the one and only Distressed, way too rare hoodies. Oh my God, I just cannot wait to drop this shit. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm mad excited. These are samples, by the way. We're not throwing y'all products on the floor. These are samples. But we're getting ready to, you know, take the product photos and then we're gonna be able to get to some storage, you know what I'm saying? So before I do all that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that post notification bell and push me into the algorithm. It helps me, it helps you, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's just get it. Y'all see it, bruh. Y'all see it, I'm getting it. I'm getting it in, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting it in. We getting content. Getting content in. This is what making money look like, chat. Getting content.
This shit hard as fuck.
Look, W cameraman. Y'all see us, you know what I'm saying? We in the mall right now. All matching hoodies, the Aura, you know what I'm saying? The Aura, the big three. Yeah, three, big triple, you know what I'm saying? We about to get some eats. I'm not gonna lie, like 5 minutes ago, we just got blessed for like 15 minutes straight. Like a nigga came up and just blessed us. Hezzy said that's a sign that we're gonna blow up, and I really think that. I really think that that's a sign we're gonna blow up, but I need to be blessed with some food. So that's what we about to do. Yeah.
Don't lock. Come on, man. Are you serious?
The lock.
Yeah, Tony, but it's so crazy what you did. Tony said you need to perform every way.
Yo, chat was good. You know what I'm saying? I'm with the boys. Hey, saying we We dressed up like the Powerpuff Boys and the Brazy Puff Boys. We getting some eats at McDonald's, you know what I'm saying? And then we gonna go right back to making content. It's all about the grind, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's just get it. Oh, bro. Just got back from the eats, you know what I'm saying?
I don't gotta do nothing.
Yeah,
Alright, 1, 0, 0.2.
Open your eyes. Oh shit. Gotta get the full experience for you. Do something out there. Let me break down what's gonna happen right now.
You know what I'm saying? We getting content done, you know what I'm saying? Only one and only Brazy really doing this shit. Distress 2025, Brazy 2025. We running this shit, bro.
Yes, sir.
We doing this shit.
We got Hezzy down here. You know what I mean?
I'm ready. Tell me when to start.
Alright.
No, I'm taking
Yo, that shit was
That
crazy.
shit was crazy.
Hell yeah.
You hear that shit?
Yeah, wait. You're right. Wait, what the fuck is that? Wait a fucking
This
minute.
one right here.
Oh shit. Wait a second. Wait. Yo,
What's this nigga doing?
what is you doing?
Bro, get the fuck out, bro.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? Nah, bro. Yo, what's good, YouTube? We just got done promoting a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not gonna lie, it's 9:42 right now, and this place closes at 10 p.m., so we have to get out of here, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, hey, we was really promoting out here. We was really like, this warehouse is a mess, bro. Like, it's not that much of a mess, but you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, you know, we was promoting, we was getting stuff done. We really want to get this drop out to y'all, bro. I'm not gonna lie. We really trying to get this drop out to y'all, and we really trying to make this shit work. Oh my God, bro. Chill on me, bro. My shit fried right now, but hey, that's what happens when you working, bro. You working. We got out right out of school. Just got done doing some SAT shit. Fucking, they handed me packets and shit. Now we out here promoting, bro. This is a life, though. This is way more fun than that shit, though. Word of bro. So, hey, I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, for turning up on everything that we doing, you know. And, you know, I appreciate y'all for just showing support. Everybody that's reposting my shit, everybody that's commenting, liking my shit, messaging me about shit, coming up to me in school about shit. Like, bro, I really support you, bro. You my brother, you for real. You twin. That's twin. Y'all are twin for real. Y'all are Brazy. You know what I'm saying? Anybody can claim Brazy. Anybody that does that can claim Brazy. I'm not trying to get it yapping. I gotta end this video because we really deadass gotta go. I don't know what else to say, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay blessed and, hey, stay Brazy.
I'm saying, bro, what you want to say, bro?
Hey, all I want to say is it's really been a journey, you know what I'm saying, from...
What the fuck is this dumbass nigga doing, bro? Fuck wrong with you? That shit glisten though. That shit hard, twin.
What the fuck, JP?
Bang on mine, bang on mine, bang on mine, mine, bang on mine, mine, bang on mine, bang on mine, bang on mine, mine, bang on mine, bang on mine. Bitch, you wouldn't know how it feels to be saucy. Bitch, I'm saucy. You too bossy. Tell that bitch to gloss me. Whole gang flossy. Big gang posse. Niggas bud lousy. Bitch, what I said. Pot of Percocet.